Hello, this is Ian Lamont, the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes and publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you a really neat trick to convert a photo with text to Microsoft Word. And here's what we have. We have this photo. I just took it with my phone. It's basically a flyer that my son created for a Boy Scout project. And I want to take the text that's in here, in this photograph, and get it into Microsoft Word. Here's how to do it using Google Drive and Google Docs. So, first of all, you need to have Google Drive open on your desktop. This can be Google Drive for Windows. It can be Google Drive for Mac. It can be a Google Chromebook. As long as you can drag or get the photo into Google Drive, you can do this. I usually recommend using the Google Chrome browser if you're on Windows or a Mac, but you can also use Firefox, and that's what I'm doing right now. So let's find the photo on my hard drive. Here it is right here. I'm just going to drag it right into here, and you'll see it starting the upload. And it already uploaded it. One thing to note, Google says that in order to do this, to convert a photograph into text using Google Drive and Docs, the photo has to be less than 2 megabytes in size. I already converted this to something, I resized it so it's less than 2 megabytes in size. If you don't do it, you might not be able to convert it. And what will happen is you'll right click on it, select Open With. If you see Google Docs, that means you can convert it. If you don't see Google Docs, that means the photo is probably too big. So go back and resize the photo and then re-upload it. So this one is the right size. I'm going to select Google Docs. So it's thinking about it. And here's the Google Docs file. And you'll see at the top the photograph, and you're thinking, well, wait a second, that's not what I was expecting. But actually, if you scroll down, here's the text. So if I wanted to, I could start editing this right in Google Docs, but actually what I want to do is I want to get this into Microsoft Word. So the first thing to do, I'm going to get rid of this photograph, and then I'm going to select File, Download, Microsoft Word .docx. Okay, so it just downloaded it. Let's take a look at it in Microsoft Word. And this can be Word for Windows or Word for Mac. I am using a Mac right now. And here's the file. So you can see, here's the text in Microsoft Word, and I can start to do things like edit it, I can bold it, I can italicize it. One thing I've noticed is that sometimes when you do this conversion via Google Docs, some things don't look quite right, like this particular bit. I think what happened is it saw the bold in here and the bullets, but it wasn't able to format it correctly, so it just made it a paragraph. So what you would need to do is basically reformat it, the way that you wanted to. But the good thing is it's in Microsoft Word, and then I can do other things with it. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Microsoft Word, In 30 Minutes Guides has a whole bunch of different guides on these topics, either available as books or ebooks or cheat sheets. Go to in30minutes.com to find out more information. And also, if this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me on YouTube, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.